Hello viewers, welcome back to another video from TheRevDev. And last video was not as long as usual. That's because we're looking at if statements. So this video is kind of like I would say part 2, but it's not like episode 5.5. It's still a separate video, but if you don't know how or what an if statement is or how if statements work, please go watch my previous video on if statements, because you need to know what they are to know what this video is about. So before we start, I'll say thank you guys for 7 subscribers. You know, it's only been what, a week or so since I started my channel, as you can see here, and I've got 7 subs already. So you guys have been very supportive of my channel, and yeah, let's get on to the video. Right, what is an else statement? Well, I don't know best way to explain it, but like if something is this, then it will print something out, but if it's not, then it will do that. So I didn't explain it that well, so let's quickly insert a script here. So remember, let's say we did if 1 is equal to 1, and obviously do a print hello, something like that. So obviously 1 is equal to 1, so if you don't know what an if statement is, again, watch my previous video. So print hello. But let's say it's 2, right? 1 is equal to 2, which is true. That's not true. How is 1 equal to 2? It won't print hello. But if you wanted to you can make it print something. So obviously 1's not equal to 2, it won't print anything. So what we're gonna do space else space. So now what we're gonna do is print goodbye. So again, let's do 1 is equal to 1. That'll print hello, obviously. And watch this. If it's 1 equals to 2, which I'm gonna say is so obviously this is not going to run. So this is not going to run. But watch this. It'll print goodbye. That's pretty cool, because if it's 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is obvious, everyone knows that. It's gonna print hello. But let's say it prints 3, which is that's not possible. It won't run this, so it'll run the else statement, which is goodbye. And obviously you can do like returning and stuff like that, you know, return. But okay, we're gonna do returning later. So again, that's pretty neat. Now, I know what you're thinking. If you check the title, there's also this thing called Elseif. I'll teach you what an Elseif is. So basically, it's basically an else and an if statement put together. So we do if. Okay, let's make some variables first. You know, let's say local hamburger is equal to 20, and local cheeseburger is equal to 10, right? So we do if cheeseburger and if cheeseburger is equal to 20, then print cheeseburger is equal to 20. Else, if cheeseburger is equal to, let's say 15, then print cheeseburger is equal to 15. Then we can do else print cheeseburger is not 20 or 15. So what we're doing is if it's equal to 20, which is actually, I made a mistake there. So if it's equal to 20, which it is, then it's going to print it's equal to 20. But if it's actually equal to 15, then it'll print 15. But if it's not 15 or 20, it'll print this. So it's going to print cheeseburger is equal to 20. But let's say if I change it to 15, like it says in the else if statement, it's going to say it's equal to 15. But let's say we make it to 3, it's going to say cheeseburger is not 20 or 15. So the best way to explain else if, just remove the else. There you go. Obviously that's not going to run properly, it's going to be confused. But else if, just think of an if. If cheeseburger is equal to 20, then print this. But if it's actually 15, then print this. That's what it is. And so it's just 2 of them mixed up, basically. Else and if at the same time. So this will run if this. Okay, so basically, this will run. The else part will run if this condition here is not true. If this condition is not true, it's gonna print. It's gonna do what this is. And if it's whatever here, then it'll do this. You can make it random as well. It can actually be else if hamburger is equal to 10, then hamburger is equal to 10. Now if we print that, it's going to print hamburger is equal to 10. Because again, this condition is not true. But if this condition was true, it's not going to print any of these. It's going to print cheeseburger is equal to 20. So you can actually do it with variables as well. This is why I use variables as well. It's pretty useful actually. So you can do if statements as well like this. But yeah, right guys, this is all I have. Next video is going to be pretty cool. It's going to be about functions. So we learn how to make, functions and like, because you got functions and stuff like that. So I'll teach you how to do this and do whatever here. But yeah, that'll be next video. But this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for getting me to 7 subs. And yeah, stay safe and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!